Alabama Paranormal and Bigfoot. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's well. I'm going to introduce you to a new partner of mine that is helping a whole lot with Bigfoot hunting. Takes a lot of the walking out, and I'm going to be publishing a lot more with this tool. After many months of training, lots of time on the simulator, I'm now Bigfoot hunting this way. I can get 2 to 3 miles from one place, and it's in HD 4K, and been putting this baby through the test, and let's go see what it's going to be doing. It's a new era in Bigfoot hunting. Now, this next area is a beautiful church called Woods Church. And over the last 20 years, they've had a lot of reports just around the cemetery. Now, this is me, my wife and son. We're checking out this area. This is me to my left. But I'm going to show you with the drone where a lot of reports have come. Now, on the back side of this cemetery is an area where I have 4 different reports. Some reports there, some reports behind the church. And it is a very beautiful area. It's a very just out there place. It does not surprise me that there are reports from this area. As you can see, the right corner right there. And as you go up, you can see the corner of the cemetery is the furthest point from the buildings and from contact. And there's a lot of open space for a creature to get away. I believe that a lot of these times they'll put a buffer zone between people to give an escape route. If you're thinking about survival, you would want that. I've got one report from behind the church, right behind the church, where you can see right there. And I'm going to do another pass here. Had my thermal on. Was just seeing if I could scan any creatures or see anything on the ground. I did pick up some deer. And it's just a beautiful area. One of the reasons I believe this church gets a lot of action is because it's isolated. We had several people come up and check on us while we were there. I don't blame them one bit. Just making sure that we were cool and not messing with anything that was in the church. And I'm going to do a real slow pass here. And we're going to go back through the cemetery and close to where a lot of the reports are coming through. It's my beautiful family right there checking out the graves. First time in a long time I've seen graves that had the gravel over them. And so it's a beautiful little cemetery. Now what we're going to come to is the back side of the fence line. You see that cedar tree right there. The very back is where most of the creatures have been seen. Get you a good little scan of the tree line. One thing about this drone, it is not silent at all. Of course, you guys can't hear that, but here we go toward where the most. I got 4 or 5 sightings right in this corner right here. And you see more of the tree line, and so I'm going to do a lot of my videos this way. I can get places, I can surveil a lot more, and I'm going to use it to actively Bigfoot hunt. See you on the roads, guys.